Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can calculate hour worked in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So here is the time format. So you can see name, weekday, start work and end work and hours worked. So we want to calculate hour worked. So you can see the time format is AM or PM. So for calculating hour worked, firstly select all cells and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see format cell at the bottom side. So click on it, and here you can see category options. In a category, select times, and when you will click on time, you can see different format of time. So here you can select the format of times, hours and minute, and hour, minute and second. So you can select anyone. I am selecting this format, hours and minutes. So after selecting this, click on OK. So after that, we write the formula of calculating the time. So here we write equal, and then press the end work minus start work. So after that, press the enter button. So when we will click on enter button, you can see this person is worked 9 hours. So if we want to calculate other person worked, so we will just click on it, on which we created the formula. So after click on it, and we will click the bottom right side of the cells, and here you can see plus icon. So then drag to the lower end. So you can see all hour worked is calculated. So you can see what is this conditions. So because all works is start in the morning and end in the evening, but in this case work is started from evening and end next morning. So how we can deal in these situations? For dealing or calculating the hour worked in this situation, watch my next video. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.